This is going to be a quick little video here. I'm in my Stripe account. I want you to see that I've made over $30,000. Okay, this has been online, also not working nearly as much as I was when I was a full-time caregiver, okay, before I started, trying to learn how to make money on the internet. What would an extra 30 grand mean to you? And I'm looking to make another 30 to 40, possibly even $50,000 by the end of this year, extra on top of this, with just this one income source. I can't stress this enough. We're living in a time, okay? We are actually living in a time where the average Joe can learn on their own or through, getting mentors and reaching out and connecting to people they would maybe never have been able to do, 20 years ago. The average Joe can learn how to become their own boss. If you're somebody that you want to make more money, and you're also somebody that you can learn pretty quickly, that you have anywhere from 30 minutes to about 2 hours a day to learn what I can teach you, okay? And also learn what the no limit system is teaching you on how to actually make this kind of money passively. Listen, then you have a solid chance at actually being successful. What would it feel like to you if you woke up and literally almost every single day you wake up, you look over on your phone, because everybody checks their phone, right? And you see a notification that said, you just made $100. You made $100 and you're like, how? I was sleeping. Or imagine you go out to lunch or to dinner with your family and you're gonna spend money, right? And all of a sudden you're eating, you're talking, whatever, and then you hear your phone buzz and you look at it and you just got paid again. Literally, I can't tell you how many times it happens to me. And I'm really used to it. I remember in the beginning when I started making money online, I would be out and about shopping or just with my friends or my sister or something like that. And I would hear my phone and I would look at it and be like, oh my, I cannot believe I actually just got paid and I'm not like working right now. I'm just enjoying my day. How would that feel? I can tell you for me, for a long time, that was the craziest feeling. And every now and then I'm like, I can't believe this is, I pinch myself a little bit. Sometimes I'm like, this is crazy. It almost feels like a video game. And all it takes is you learning a few skills to leverage social media. Okay, that's what the no limit system teaches you to do to make passive income. There's a link in my video description below or on a button on this page somewhere you can click on to not procrastinate anymore. You've probably been on the fence, watching me and everything like that. The more time passes, the more potentially, money is literally just walking away from you. If you're somebody, like I said, that's willing to learn, that's willing to dedicate just a little bit of your time on a daily basis or every other day, there really isn't any reason for you not to join. And I tell people, even money, there's really no excuse. I empathize with people in certain situations. Trust me, I've been in some dark places financially, trust me. And that may sound harsh. This is just me trying to give a little bit of tough love to make you realize that you got this. Like I said, if that's you, if you're like, Marissa, you're talking to me, I'm tired of this crap, I'm ready to learn, not only from the system, but also from you, then go ahead, like I said, click that link in my video description below or on the button on this page somewhere and get started.